Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you a plant that has been shared by many already. This plant is the tomato plant. Tomato plants are categorized into two groups. One is determinate and the other one is indeterminate. The determinate variety will grow the fruit all at once, and then it will ripen all at once. The indeterminate variety will produce the fruit, the tomato, and then they will generally ripen at different interval or different stage in its production process. So like this one here is an indeterminate variety, and indeterminate variety can be grown in many ways, but they tend to continue to grow, grow and grow and grow, and it will grow even taller. So therefore, as you can see in my um, plant here, I have actually created a post or a trellis to provide a structure and support for this indeterminate variety of tomato. I have grown this for 2-3 years now. I've saved the seed and continue to grow again and again. So therefore, this I thought was a cherry type of tomato, and this cherry tomato, as you can see here, has abundance fruit on it. As it continue to grow and develop, it will produce and ripen. So um, eh, therefore, this is again an indeterminate variety. Tomatoes are one of the easiest plant food vegetable type of plant that is really easy to grow. It requires very little care for. Um, it needs water, sunlight, and adequate spacing, and it will do just fine. As you can see here with my tomato plant. Um, let's see. Um, I have learned from some people that actually, if you want it to grow better, because it is considered to be wind pollination type of plant, you can actually shake or nudge it a little bit to provide that pollination or that self-pollinating aspects of the flower to help in fostering and producing the fruit that you often see here. This one particularly, I just left it alone. The only thing that I have been doing to it is to prune it back so that it will continue to grow vertically, as you can see here. Besides that, regular watering throughout the summer, and here in Stockton, California, it is quite hot in the summer. The temperature can varies and go between 100 and 110 easily some years. This year we have experienced a lot of heat, three-digit level heat between 100 and 108 here this year, as my experience, and the tomato really thrive in that kind of environment. So if you are in this region or in a similar region, tomato is one that you can grow easily without very much care at all. So give it a try and see what you can come up with. Try to leave it alone my first year I tried to leave it alone, and it became a very big bushy plant that grew up to about maybe 4 feet tall, but it spread out and become very bushy, similar to this plant, um, uh, lemongrass that you see here, but not like the lemongrass like that, but in terms of its appearance, its bushiness, this tomato plant can actually be just like that as well too. So if you would like it to have proper airflow and sunlight and everything like that, it is probably best to um, provide a post or a trellis style type for it to climb on and support. At the same time, it also helps to support the weight of the tomatoes that are grown on the plant. So therefore, a trellis, a post type of support is probably necessary for any plant, in my opinion, that provides or has abundance of fruit, like this tomato plant, for example. So thank you very much again for viewing my video. And if you liked this video and you thought that you've learned something new from this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.